Malapit kami sa day 2 ng aming long drive papuntang Canada East Coast. As usual, kasama niyo ako, si Daddy at si Indang, ang aking sister-in-law. So, since nasa Quebec kami, ang aming ruta ngayon ay papuntang downtown Quebec, particularly sa Old Quebec. So, maaga ka nang gumising, wala pang masyadong traffic sa daan. Kung makikita ninyo, and yung weather, maganda ang weather sa umaga. Yan, kung makikita ninyo, nandito na kami sa downtown Quebec, and parang okay pa naman yung weather. Actually, hindi ko chinek yung weather dyan. We just wake up and inisip namin dapat maaga kami para mapasyalan namin ang buong Quebec City sa araw na yan, kasi para diretso na kami papuntang New Brunswick after. Old Quebec is designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. Old Quebec is the most intact fortified town north of Mexico, retaining its colonial architecture for over 400 years. It is the historic and cultural heart of Quebec City and the birthplace of French North America. Let's explore Old Quebec in Quebec City. Yan, if you can see, napakaganda ng place. Looks like para kang nasa Europe. Yung mga buildings are so beautiful. Ang gaganda ng place. Yan, yung oras na yan, maaga pa, like siguro mga 6:30. So if you can see, wala pang masyadong mga tao, but then kung mapapansin nyo, umaambon na dyan. So parang iniisip namin kung itutuloy pa namin ang pamamasyal kasi otherwise dapat meron kaming payong na mamamasyal kasi starting to rain. And when I check my phone kung ano yung weather, uulan pala throughout the day. So iniisip na namin kung itutuloy pa namin o babalikan na lang namin after we go to New Brunswick. So since palala ng palala yung ambon, so we just decided to just go back before we go back to Toronto. So instead na mamasyal na kami, hindi na kami bumaba kasi we just decided to go straight to New Brunswick. So yan, maaga kasi kami, and good that at least we can see na pwede na kaming tumuloy sa New Brunswick. So hindi na kami bumaba, nag-ikot na lang kami kung ano yung pwede naming puntahan at balikan sa aming pagbabalik. But we wanna go back kasi gusto naming maglakad dyan sa mga places na yan kasi ang ganda. So sana sundan nyo ang aming mga video at makikita nyo how beautiful the place is. Thank you, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, hope you will like my video and subscribe. This is Emmy's Journey, and see you in my next video. If you wanna follow my channel, just click the bell button, and thank you again, and God bless you all. Bye. Yan. So kung makikita nyo, lumala na talaga ang ulan, so tama na dumiretso na lang kami sa New Brunswick. But before we can go there, dapat mag-gas muna kami. Dapat i-full tank namin kasi malayo pa ang papuntahan namin. So thank you again for watching. See you sa aking susunod na video. Let's go to New Brunswick. Bye bye, God bless, and thank you everyone.